Well, here it is, Coloring Party with Friends, and we're coloring in Dreamland, coloring Whimsical World. And my co-hostess this week is going to be my awesome friend Patricia. Oh my gosh, I just love her so much, and she does so many interesting things on her channel. This one is her gardening channel, and if you want to go see what gardening things she does, go check out this one. And her other channel is her art channel. And here's her other channel, Crafting with Pat. Now, we've been awesome friends on both these channels. I've been watching her garden channel for a couple of years. She just started the crafting channel, but we're great friends both. So please go check out both of her channels, and she'll be my co-hostess from now on. I just love her. We have so much in common. We love doing art together, we love gardening together, and she's just the sweetest friend. Well, let's see who we're giving a shout out today to. Our shout out today is for Crafting Grandma. Oh my gosh, it's almost like Grandma Sandy, the title, isn't it? And she does lots of coloring on her channel and crafting, and she has a wonderful channel, so please go check it out. She does coloring, as you can tell I shared, and she does cards, she does grocery shopping, she does lots of different kinds of posts, and does all different kinds of great videos, and shares lots of creative things with you. And she also joins in with Tea Tuesday, like I also do. And of course, she does shopping like all of us love to do, and comes up with creative ideas and all kinds of things to inspire us. Please go check her out. Crafting Grandma, thank you so much for all the love and support you always show my channel. I'm giving love and support back to you, my sweet friend. Please go over and check her channel out. And that's what we're all about, to help support each other, to grow each other's channels. Now, let's see what Grandma colored this week. Well, this is the book we're going to be coloring in today, Dreamland, Coloring a Whimsical World. I always enjoy coloring in this book. It's such a beautiful book, and I can't wait to share with you what I did this week. And here is the person responsible for all the beautiful artwork. Well, let's open this beautiful book and see what's inside. Well, this is our first page that we're going to share. And you know, I do a lot of Tea Tuesdays, and here is a beautiful page full of whimsy and teacups and tea, washing all over the page. And of course, you all know I love gardening and the beautiful roses also. I thought it turned out really nice. What do you think? And of course, look at all the whimsy that's in this page. It looks like they're almost underwater, like little bubbles of air bubbles, or in the picture, doesn't it? And then it looks like we have all these little sailboats sailing through the water. I loved how it turned out. We used gel pens for most of it, and we also used alcohol markers since Grandma finally got a package of them. I think I'm going to buy another package in another month or two and get more colors and shades, for I have more opportunities to color with them. They do finish off the background just beautifully. The alcohol marker was used on the one teacup right here and on the background. Everything else was the gel markers. But I thought it turned out pretty good. I loved how this teacup turned out and the shading and everything with it. And of course the cup that looked like it was a hollowed out celery stalk, doesn't it? And then they filled it full of water and sailed their little paper boats in them. I love all the whimsy that this artist uses in his designs, and they're so much fun to color. Don't you agree? Oh yeah, I do love it. Leave me a comment. Let me know what you thought. I loved it, and it turned out beautifully. And here's our second page, and I thought it turned out pretty good too. I loved how the flags wrapped around the ladder, the plants, and I don't know if that's a moon out there or what it is, but it's out there floating in the sky, and all the beautiful flowers, and of course our little paper sailboats always look so cute. I really loved it, and it was also done mostly with gel pens, but I did use alcohol markers for the background, and for, I'm going to say the moon, I really don't know what it is, and I also used the alcohol marker on the boat, and I thought it turned out pretty nice. All the plants were colored with gel pens, and I was very, very happy how it turned out. I really am enjoying the gel pens and the alcohol markers. They're the easiest thing for me to color. The gel pens, you can blend and do a lot of stuff with them, like I did on the plants. I don't know if you can see all the blending I've done with the colors. And the alcohol markers give you a more even coloring, I think. So I like mixing both together, and I really am enjoying coloring with it. And like I also had said in the previous picture, I'm going to be doing a lot more and buying some more alcohol markers in the future. Now this is what happens with the alcohol markers. They bleed right through. As you can see, the gel pens didn't bleed through, but anything that I put with the with the alcohol markers, they bled through. But I guess you could say it looks like another piece of artwork almost, doesn't it? And I'll show you the other picture also, what it did. See how this one also did the same thing. But like I said, I guess we could count it as two pieces of artwork. One way and the other one a little abstract. I don't know. But anyway, you still can tell what this is, can't you? It's a little interesting. So I'd be very careful when you're working with alcohol markers. This is what they do. They bleed totally through. Make sure you cover the next page to protect it from getting anything on it. But I'm very happy with the way the pages turn out. Another bad thing is a lot of books, even I have pages on both sides, and you can't use them, that or you're just going to ruin your other page. So that's also another drawback on them. But I'm going to try to get more books in the future that are just one-sided. I like coloring on one-sided anyway, and we'll see what we can get done and accomplished. Well, let's do a little slideshow and sit down and drink your tea.